Have you ever wondered why some watches look like this? And while others look like this? Well, today, from the experts at Craft & Tailored, we are going to break down what exactly a chronograph is. A chronograph is simply a watch that combines the function of a stopwatch with the timekeeping ability of a normal watch. This is usually characterized by 3 subdials, one telling you seconds, minutes, and hours. These watches usually have 2 pushers located on the right side of the face, which are used to control the stopwatch. Usually, the start-stop button is located adjacent of the 2 o'clock, while the reset is adjacent to the 4. In 1913, Longines built one of the first chronograph wristwatches. It doubled as a timekeeping display with a stopwatch complication, and it was accurate to 1/5 of a second. Easily the 3 most influential chronographs are the Rolex Daytona, the Omega Speedmaster, and the Heuer Monaco. All 3 of these watches have extremely rich history. Let us know in the comments if you would like to see a video showcasing these 3 watches. If any of these watches have caught your eye, or you're in the market for a chronograph in general, Craft & Tailored specializes in the most interesting and beautiful chronographs on the market.